What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So you already know what it is. We are checking out Kaleo's Surface Sound newly released album. So in this video we are going to be checking out Kaleo I, Walk on Water. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so we're starting off with the chill guitar. By the way, I pulled the lyrics, you know.
I walk on water.
Yeah.
Before I could tell you, oh, that I walk on water.
You know, these subtle details, like the way he said and the whistle in the song we checked the last time. I think it's Hey Gringo. And you know, as a singer he has such an incredible range, and it's what impresses me the most, man. He's such a great vocalist, and the band, the sound they make, impressive, insane.
I walk on water. In life, oh, in such a hurry, she thrives as long as you care. You bow to all my worries, oh, 'cause I walk on water. We are trust in me. 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 I walk on water. I feel stronger.
Oh, whoa. Wait. Before I was just waiting before we go crazy, you know. He says, fly before I could tell you, or that I can walk on water. Life is such a hurry. Life in such a hurry. Thrive as long as you can. And goodbye to my worries, 'cause I walk on water. Is he talking about Jesus? 'Cause Jesus, I think, walked on water, right? I think only Jesus can walk on water or something. That's a story. I'm not a Christian, but I have heard of such stories. Yeah, I think yes, Jesus is the one who walked on water. Is he talking about Jesus? Just like letting go of all his worries, and you know, knowing that you have to thrive in life. There's no point in thriving so much. You just let go of your worries and walk on water. It's like letting go of your troubles. I don't know if that's what he means. And he says, put your trust in me. It's like, you know, put your trust in me, let go of your worries, and you will be fine, and something like that. Yeah, he says, I feel stronger, you know. All right, let's go back. Let's go back a bit.
I feel stronger. I feel
Yeah.
stronger than I used to. Well, my feet don't touch the ground. I don't worry any longer. It's when your heart dies to your soul cries out for more. Oh, she said, walk on, Lord.
Or maybe it's not just about Jesus or something. He says, she said, walk on water. I went further. We don't have to have fear of going under because I can hold on to you now. Maybe it's like he let go of his worries and let go of his troubles. So water could be taken as a metaphor for troubles. He let go of it. Now he can walk over them. And now she doesn't have to worry to stay with him or something, you know? Yeah, I think, yeah, I don't know. Music has perspectives. What you feel is not what I feel, so we can all have an opinion. And I like to have an opinion when I listen to some song and have an idea about it and enjoy it as much as I can. That's what I do. So you can do too. And comment down what you think of this song. Let's go.
Will you trust in me? Will you trust in me? Put my trust in you. Put my trust. I walk on water. I walk on water.
I like the high hitting note. It's called hi-hat, right?
Brother, oh, I must tell you. I said, brother, yeah, follow me, follow me, follow me, brother.
The guitar, dude. Yes, sir. Let's go. The drums are crazy on that. Wow, what a song to the end. Yeah, that was a nice chill song, and then to the end they hyped it up very nicely and smoothly. But my question is, why did he say brother, I must tell you? I have questions and I want you guys to answer me what this song is based on. What is the theme of this song? I'm a bit confused. I know Walk on Water is something connected to Jesus, maybe because he walked on water, but other than that my mind cannot build up any other connections with the lyrics. I'm a bit confused and I want you guys to help me out, please. Because I really love to understand the lyrics, understand the story behind the lyrics, so I want you guys to help me out in this situation. I'll be very glad if somebody commented on why and what this song is about. Anyway, that was my reaction to Kaleo. Yeah, my apologies. I have to say my apologies. I pronounced the band name wrong for the past 3 years. Yeah, past 3-4 years. I'm really sorry. I always said Kaleo. That's why that was my pronunciation. But somebody pointed me out that it's Kaleo. So thank you for pointing me out. Anyway, that was my reaction to Kaleo I, Walk on Water. And yeah, if you have any more recommendations, please comment down on the comment section and also comment down your thoughts on this song. with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.